Hello, everybody.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so it's been a while. It's been about 4 months since we
So
made a
it's
video.
Christmas. I've got my presents.
They're not your presents,
Yes, they are.
they're decorations. Anyway, like I say, it's been about 4 months since we made a video last, and the less said about it, the better. But we're back now, and tonight I'm going to be showing Lily a song called Telstar, which is an instrumental song from the 60s. It's by a group called the Tornadoes. So I think you'll like it anyway. Maybe you won't, but let's go. It's an old. Put your headphones on. Oh, I've got to put my headphones on. Let's go.
Is that like fire? Astronauts. It must be a rocket. What are they going in? Like a house? Or a lift? I can see what you mean when it's black and white. Yellow?
Yeah, it's not really black and white, is it?
Why does this sound so nice?
You like this?
Yes. Oh, guitars.
You can't even play a guitar.
Yes, I can. An air guitar. Come on, Granddad.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Old man. Oh. Sounds like holiday music. What is that? Yes, the piano is back. Yes, the piano. I don't even know if this is a piano.
It's not a piano, is it?
Yes, it is.
Looks like a piano.
I'm getting used to this. I'm a pianist. It's going high, like a rocket. Is it the end?
Yeah, that looks like the end. And I've never heard you rabbit so much for a reaction as you did in that one. You're a bit hyperactive, aren't you, today? What did you think?
It is
It
amazing!
is good, isn't it? I like it, yeah. That's a really good song. So you,
No more need for presents.
no, I was going to say to you about that song, the only thing I know about it, I mean, there's a blonde fella in it. I think I read about him a couple of months back, but I can't remember what it said, but I think he was like either German or Dutch or something like that. And what I already knew is that one of the guys in the group is the father of Matt Bellamy. Matt Bellamy is a guitar player who's in a group called Muse, and the only reason I know that is because your Uncle David has been to see him a few times, and I mean, I wouldn't know Matt Bellamy if he walked through the door, but I know David likes him a lot, and I know that one of the guys in that group, the Tornadoes, was his father.
The person, his dad, Matt Bellamy, must have been his dad must have been a guitarist, so his dad could teach him
Yeah,
to
probably,
play the
yeah,
guitar.
because apparently he's a very good guitarist as well. But anyway, well, that's for another time. So listen, we're back. We've made one video. I've showed you one song from the 60s. No singing, and I still think you liked it, did you? Okay then. So we'll try and make a couple
Merry
more.
Christmas!
We'll try and make a couple more. We'll do some Christmas songs later. Maybe next week, before Christmas. Okay, bye everybody.
Can we play that again? That song.
Not now.
Oh.
See you later.
Bye!